Hi everyone, in today's video, we are sharing some delicious and nutritious healthy snack ideas to curb those cravings. Let's get snacking. Start with a Greek yogurt parfait. Layer yogurt, granola, and fresh berries for a tasty and protein-packed treat. Next up, grab some veggie sticks like carrots, cucumbers, and bell peppers, and dip them in hummus for a crunchy and satisfying snack. Nuts are a great source of healthy fats and protein. A small handful of mixed nuts can keep you full and energized. Slice up an apple and pair it with some peanut butter. It's a classic combo that's both sweet and filling. Spread mashed avocado on rice cakes for a creamy and nutritious snack. Add a sprinkle of salt and pepper for flavor. There you have it, 5 healthy snack ideas that are easy to prepare and also delicious. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more healthy tips.